made it back from the auction. It was nice and sunny up there. Ain't sunny here. It's supposed to rain more tonight. Don't want to need none of that. So the thing is, with auctions, you have no idea if what you're getting is any good or if it's just a piece of junk. This thing could be a 300 and some pound piece of garbage that we have to deal with. Let's hope not. We stopped for gas on the way home, and I'm like, well, as long as I'm at the gas pump, let me fill this thing up and hope we don't have to drain it. Checked in there, and it's got quite a bit of fuel in there. Hopefully that's a good sign. I also got some free gravel from the auction. Alright, I'm going to shut these breakers off for now. It's wet. I see gas dripping a little bit from the fuel filter. That means there's fuel in there. Let's check the oil. There it is. Yeah. A little dirty. Maybe a little high, but not bad. Looks good. Battery says 2018. It's old. Not unheard of though. Might still work. I don't see an hour meter. $10 kilowatt. I like that. I think let's try turning this thing over. See if there's any juice in that battery. Electric start with a pull start backup. We're gonna have to make some kind of trailer to put this on. Should we do it? Can't tell if the gas is on or off. Looks like the gas is on, the shut-off valve. Alright, let's pull this choke. Key switch. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ain't no sound. No sound at all. I can try the pull start. Let's hope it's not seized. Alright. Okay, that's a good sign. Is there an on-off switch? Yeah, the key. The recoil's a little goofy. Not too bad though. And ideally, once we get a battery that's got charged, then it'll be fine. Come on. Starting to smell gas now. Yeah, it smells old. I think I'm gonna go get a battery and jumper cables. Alright. Too much pulling. Well, my selfie stick broke. I'm holding on to the stubby end of it. So much for recording this easy. Let's hope it starts here. Well, I wasn't sure if that battery is any good, but it is. That gas could be pretty bad. Try it a couple more times, then I'll pop off the air filter and put some starting fluid in there. That'd be sad if that gas is all bad. It's a 10-gallon tank, it says. It's probably got like 7 gallons in there at least. Yeah, almost $4 a gallon. Yeah, $28. Yeah, it's not even trying to fire over. Let's pop this off. And at least it's cranking. It sounds healthy. It doesn't sound weird. Try one more time. Let's go grab some starting fluid. It's way out here by the hoop shed, so I gotta take a walk. Working on the turf cat out here, getting it painted. Keeps raining on my paint job. It's starting to look pretty good though. It's almost time to start doing some black. Got these tires getting prepped to paint. I don't like this zipper, it's annoying. Alright, we're also prepping the Encore Prowler to list it for sale. This thing's nice. Took the cover to the deck off and clean it up. Everything's looking good on it, so I'm hoping we can sell that for a good price. Looking for the starting fluid. Carb cleaner. Probably going to need that. Penetrating oil. More penetrating oil. Where'd the starting fluid go? Hope someone didn't use it all again. Starting fluid. I know. We're using it trying to get the Bolins to start. Trying to sell that thing too. Alright. Zip this thing back up. It wasn't in there. Oh yeah, that's a good sign. So either we're just plain not getting fuel at all, or that fuel that's in there is disgusting, or the carbs. all nasty. That could be what it is. I was hoping it would be easy. Crank it up, start it, and go. We'll be able to get it going. Just going to take a little bit of work. Shouldn't be too much. As long as now the generator side isn't blown. Need to get it running long enough so we can test out the power. Carburetor's dirty. Choke's only partially in. I just tried it a couple more times, like 2 more times the starting fluid. It's running, so I'm hoping it'll just burn through the dirtiness in the car by itself. So I can be lazy and not have to clean the carb. Just let it run with that bad gas for a while. I'm gonna go get a voltmeter. It might shut off by the time I'm back, but we'll see. Alright, I was getting voltage out of the 240 side too, but since the terminals are so much larger, I couldn't stick the meter probe in and video it at the same time because my selfie stick broke. It's not holding voltage yet. I'm thinking it's because we're not idling and revving properly because of dirty carb, dirty gas. So get that engine so it's running smooth, and I think we'll be good. We have power coming out of the outlets. We just gotta clean up that fuel system. Northstar, 10,000 ppg. That thing is so much bigger than our old one. This little guy, it's a little brute, 3,500. That thing's tiny compared to this. While I was up there at the auction waiting to pick up this thing, I was only like 5 miles away from the next auction, and I was hoping I could go preview at that auction because that auction's much bigger. Unfortunately, on their website they didn't have preview dates listed yet, so I just had to come home without going to preview. Probably a good thing because it's going to rain soon, and if I went there and previewed first, I wouldn't be able to play with this thing. Alright, well, I would have liked to have gotten a mini excavator or something cool. This is cool. Look how big it is. I want a bigger one. I want a diesel one. But this will hold us over for a little while once we get it running. Good. There's another auction coming up in a couple weeks. Actually, 2 of them. They're simultaneous. The biggest ones of the year. They're simultaneous, overlapping dates. I don't like that, but maybe we'll get good stuff because people will be overwhelmed on what to bid on. Hopefully we get something good. We'll let you know if we do.